that you can look in backside lo mi road lo mi plalo Bulolo highway. Ganti question ni come up lo people lo mi plalo Bulolo lo class him. This road tem stapanin nit lo district o national government. Because road bakarap na ulwok lo tok member lo Bulolo mas fixim road embok lo district. So now to ulwok him to na mi class him government to lo. Because me understand no sem national highway. Nemo bla economical corridor lo Papua New Guinea too. Where Jinek chicken is stop, Penji forest product is stop. Wafi Golpula come up now. Eden Valley stop lapsar where Kumalu sa tight sa Bakarap and Miplatu. Also something I missed up. So now question of people are Muslim. Let me stop inside the national highway. One kind of small islands highway or I missed stop on it district. Where by responsibility lo district. So misawe, mi ete misawe sa stop on it national government. Responsibility lo national government lo national highway. That's all. For far too long, mi plano looking some sense to this road now. Emi kosim misunderstanding namin lo mi plano gira na. Some time on man making to na mito sa member mi Paul. Road lo district or road lo national government. So now imi looking stop also. Backside lo mi plano looking slap mo highway sa kam na sanap le kan sanap na. Well lab lo time do rain na. Backside lo sila highway mi plano gira ba line up go because all blocking road. All carry mo container na kayo sa mo blocking road. Now man can pass le all ba pass. So you know, wala kumalo tasol sa pasim road kali. Nagwantap to narap lagin. So this time I'm very serious. Mi raising plenty time lo parliament. Mi raising plenty time lo newspaper. Na same time too also mi putin petition last year tasol. So mi local looking mo same time mi pla walking noise. Lo tok lo road. Arap to bon masin kam na grade him. Na ben mi pla go back quiet gen. O ko taman ron me go back lo. One up light longam nakam. So you know this is very serious. We need to mean business when we talk about national highways. This is a tax-paying road, just like any other Islands Highway na, Kerama Highway na also Central Highway. May program one kind of sentasyon. So we demand some explanation on where the previous funds were paid to the contractors, and if those contractors are doing their job or not, and if they are not doing their job, why can't we get reputable contractors to come and do their job? This is gone beyond control. This road I'm come up with some road block PK na may plan na mamas. Thank you.